Welcome to Sarasasa Mutsaran School. This is Science Matayam 2, and I am teacher Carla G. Circulado. We will start our lesson by reading our vocabulary words. So listen carefully as I read the first set of words. Combination, combination. Converge, converge. Cornea, cornea. Now repeat after me. Combination, converge, cornea. Very good. Now listen again as I read the second set of words. Density, density. Diffuse, diffuse. Diverge, diverge. Now repeat after me. Density, diffuse, diverge. Very good. Now listen carefully as I read the third set of words. Interface, interface. Magnifier, magnifier. Medium, medium. Now repeat after me. Interface, magnifier. Medium. Very good. Now let's do our dictation of 3 words. Please bring out one piece of paper, or if you have your notebooks with you, write activity number 1, the date, the month, and the year. Let's begin. Number 1. Spell the word cornea. Cornea. Number 2. Spell the word diverge. Diverge. And number 3. Spell the word interface. Interface. Okay, let's check your answers. Please bring out your red pen to check your answers. If your answer is correct, please put 1. If your answer is incorrect, please copy the correct answer. Here are the answers. Number 1. Cornea. C-O-R-N-E-A. Cornea. Number 2. Diverge. D-I-V-E-R-G-E. Diverge. And number 3. Interface. I-N-T-E-R-F-A-C-E. Interface. Very good. Now let's talk about our topic for today, which is in Unit 1, Light. So if you have your books with you, please bring out your books and turn on page 3. Page 3. Let's begin. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see. Repeat after me. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see. Very good. So the example given here in our picture, we have the sun. The sun produces light that enables us to see. For example, during the day, when we go outside, we can see everything that surrounds us. We can see the buildings, we can see the neighborhood, we can see the animals, the grass, the trees, because the sun produces light that enables us to see. Okay, the next one. Repeat after me. Anything that gives off light of its own is known as a source of light. Very good. So it says anything that gives off light. For example, here is the sun. So the sun gives light. Also the moon gives light. The stars give light. Our light bulb in our house gives light. Our cell phone also gives light. Okay, those are the things that gives light. So it says it is a source of light. We will talk about more about it later on in our succeeding topic. And the last paragraph, repeat after me. Sun is the biggest source of light. Very good. So as you can see, it says the sun is the biggest source of light. It's very understandable, but let me give you an example. During the day, most of us, especially with the house that has windows, we don't use too much electricity or light, especially the light, because we can see the things that surrounds us. Even in our house, we can see the table, we can see the TV, we can see what we are doing, because the sun produces light. So even in our house, we can see the things inside our house. That's how powerful and strong the light from the sun is. That's why it's the biggest source of light. Okay, next. It says a light source can be either natural or artificial. Okay, repeat after me. A light source can be either natural or artificial. Very good. So we will talk about the natural sources of light first. Natural. From the word natural, it is naturally presented, or it's not man-made. Okay? The first example we already talked about is the sun. It produces light. Okay? Also the star. The stars in the sky, at nighttime we can see it produces light naturally. Also the firefly or the lightning bugs here. It's natural light. Okay? And the last one, the last example here is lightning. It also naturally produces light. Natural sources of light doesn't need plug-in or power electric from our houses. Okay, that's why it's called natural. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is artificial sources of light. So when you say artificial, it refers to man-made or human-made. Okay, one example is fluorescent light. Okay, repeat after me. Fluorescent light. Okay, we have this in our houses. We plug this in, then we have light. Next one, light bulb. Everybody? Very good. This one, it also produces light when we turn on the switch. Next one, repeat after me. Stove flames. Very good. So stove flames, we use this for cooking. When we turn it on, the fire is out and it produces light as well. Okay, and the last example here is the sparkler. Everybody repeat after me. Sparkler. Very good. So all of you know this, I know, because we used to light this when we have occasions. Okay, and if we light it, it produces light. Okay, so all of these things mentioned are all artificial sources of light, but there's more. Okay, it's just example. Okay, now let's do some exercise if you understand the lesson. Let's do activity number 2, the date, the month, and the year. You can bring out a piece of paper if you have your notebooks with you. Okay, number 1 question. What is a form of energy that enables us to see? Number 1. What is a form of energy that enables us to see? Number 2. What do you call the biggest source of light? Number 2. What do you call the biggest source of light? Number 3 and 4. Fill in the blanks. A light source can be either blank or blank. 3 and 4. A light source can be either blank or blank. Number 5. Anything that gives off light of its own is known as a source of blank. Number 5. Anything that gives off light of its own is known as a source of blank. Very good. Okay, what did we learn today? Let's do the summary. We talked about the light. It says it's a form of energy that enables us to see. So if there is light, we can see everything that's around us. And we also talked about the sun, that the sun is the biggest source of light. And we also talked about natural and artificial sources of light. Okay, we also gave an examples for natural and artificial. For natural, it's not human-made. Okay, it's naturally presented, and artificial, it's human-made. Okay, thank you so much, students. I hope you all learned today, but don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, eat healthy foods, take your vitamins. See you soon, and goodbye.